Hi, I'm tbartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. Your source for cool performance builds, including Roush builds, as we've been covering the different Roush builds that are available through Roush, as well as through your local dealer, including us. And we're going to talk about this RT6. It is the off-road big boy that Roush provides. And let's talk about what's included in these the core components from Roush. And let's talk about the different options you have as well. So let's get into this. Make sure to subscribe, get the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our videos. And let's go. Now, first off, let's talk about how you can configure these from the factory. So first of all, Roush will go ahead and get these builds and sent to Roush from Ford. And typically they'll put this package on either an XLT or a Lariat trim. We like to go with XLT. Again, we like to keep that cost down, and we usually upgrade the leather anyway. So that's probably the biggest one that people like to go to the Lariat trim anyway. All of ours you'll see that we have in stock are XLTs, but we can get Lariats in as well. But it's based on either an XLT 302A or a Lariat, I think 501A equipment group. And so those are different configurations you want from the factory. Now, at the end of this video, I'll have recommended videos on XLT and Lariat if you want to see what's standard quote, but on those from the factory and what's included in those packages. Watch those videos, it'll give you a little more information about that. Let's get into the core components that Roush puts on it once it's sent to their facility. Now on these here, once Roush gets a hold of these F-150s, they upgrade a lot of things. Now the RT6 is that off-road capable, big clearance, heavy, big, tall lift and everything. A little bit more than what they do on the off-road edition. Off-road's a 2-inch front lift. This in here is a 6-inch full suspension system that they have on this, and it's a pretty cool coil-over suspension, as you can see here. I'm not sure if I can get everything for you here, but nice coil-over suspension. It does have the lift splines as well. Upgraded heavy-duty knuckles on this too. Just a real nice upgrade that they do to this. You will also see some major upgrades over here as well. Front sway bars and rear sway bar upgrades as well to this. Just a really beefy off-road vehicle. You'll see just all the components that they add to this to make it an off-road beast. You'll see it back here as well. They actually add an upgraded cross member as well to it. Nice trailing arm right here that's very beefed up and ready to go off-road. Upgraded skid plate underneath as well, and a lot of other things that you get on this course. Compression arms as well, and tuned sway bars on this. So they really calibrate it to their specifications, and they do a really good job. And that's the biggest upgrades to this with those traction bars, everything. Also, laser cut skid plates as well. So don't know if I can get a good view of that under here, but it does have that underneath there, kind of front covers up down there. So pretty nice upgrade there for you, and just looks great. Gives it a nice stance, nice build to kind of start with. Now let's talk about the exterior looks of this, which are really similar to the off-road edition in a way of that aspect of it. The big difference on this RT6 is, getting that big 6-inch lift, but not only just giving a lift. Some other things to think about that Roush does is just don't give you a lift, because sometimes if you lift it and you don't do anything else other than that lift, it's not going to have the off-road abilities for going to be able to do the different things you want to do. They also upgrade it with the upgraded, knuckles and the upgrades underneath to give you that nice stability that you need when you're off-roading as well. So they want it to be off-road available, not just give you the look of the lift, but also the capabilities of taking it with the lift and off-roading with the vehicle too. So now, going back to the grille and the exterior aspects, XLT and Lariat grills will look a little different. The inside will be about the same. It'll have the light up, and I'll try to get that. Probably just use the images from our website for this, because the video can't really slow down that flickering. But you'll see the nice Roush lit up in the middle. Also the marker lamps as well in the top part of that grille. Just gives it a good look to Roush. I think they've done a good job with that bumper replacement up here as well. So that's going to be a bumper cover, they call it, with the red tow hooks down here. And we'll talk about upgrades in a little bit and what would go under here if you do upgrade with the premium package. We'll get to that when we get to options here. Fender flares as well on the side. So typically like this, body colored, if they can paint match it. So you'll see this black one over here that also is painted to match, but we do have a red one that's a rapid red or ruby red, and it cannot be matched. So it's gonna be a black fender flare in that case. Markers, the amber one on the front, the red one on the back there, as you see right there. For your wheels, it is those 20-inch wheels, just like we do see in the off-road edition. Black with a nice Roush etched center cap, and the Roush etched in the outside of that. So real nice black lug nuts as well on that. And then it is giving you those general grabber 35-inch tires. So they are 35 by 12.5. And what's great about these tires is they're off-road ready. So nice thick sidewall. So if you want to air this down, go off-roading, rock crawling, you're going to have good durability on the sidewall for that. Also good tread pattern if you want to go rock crawling, whether you go through the mud, sand, should handle about any of those situations. So you'll have that upgrade as well. Now you'll see the graphics on this. So let's go up here. First of all, before we get to graphics, the heat extractor as well right here with the Roush emblem up there, trying to get that heat out as quick as possible instead of sitting in your engine bay. We do get the matte black graphic here on the hood. You're also getting some nice badging on this between the RT6 badge, real nice badge on the hood on both sides. Also the fender vents here also on both sides. And you'll also get a badging on the back, Roush badging. So those are those badges that they talk about. And they also do put another RT6 badge back here. So real nice, giving you that setup. Now for other graphics, USA flag here on the back, the Roush words on the side as well. So it gives it a nice look there too. So also moving to the back, we do also have the license plate. You get normally, actually it's not on there, you get the Roush license plate and license plate bracket as well. You get the hitch cover as well on this. You do also get the Roush, before I forget about it, key fob cover as well. So you'll have that on there too. And then, oh, not to forget, the Roush graphics on the back. And you get the upgraded exhaust, catback exhaust with the black tips back here. So it looks real sharp. So let me give you a sound clip of that. Typically forget. So let's do that right now. And so you have a good idea what this sounds like from the factory. Now on the inside, you're going to get the Roush floor liners. They are WeatherTech with their branding on it. You get the illuminated foot pedals like the off-road edition gets as well. You're also going to be getting a dash badge as well. That's going to have the RT6 serialized right there. See if I can get a good view of that. My camera's struggling with that a little bit. There you go, just throw an image for you on there of that. You're getting that certificate of authenticity as well in the vehicle. And I think that's everything on the inside. Of course, this, they covered on a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on this. And this is a $22,999 is the package price on the RT6. And it's about, what, about $2,000 more than your off-road edition. But basically the difference, a lot of the wheels, tires, right, exterior graphics, a lot of that's similar in the off-road as well as the RT6. The biggest difference in impact you're getting for that $2 grand is an upgrade in the suspension. And I think this is pretty cool suspension and upgrades that you just aren't going to get on the off-road edition. So these are just some nice components that Ford has done to make this not only just look the part, but also it is the part, it performs, and it's all performance aspects. So if you want to take it off-road, you're not going to be disappointed at all with that. So pretty cool there. Now let's talk about some options for you from that you can get from Roush. Now a lot of these you do have a premium package from Roush. So we did cover that on the off-road. It's the same as it is on the off-road edition as well. So that premium package is going to get you the leather. So on the RT6, unlike the off-road edition, RT6 only comes in the Raven Black, like you're seeing here. So same seat design though this off-road gets with the suede bolsters. This one will have the embroidering on the headrest that say RT6 on these two front seats up here. But real nice stitching on these and nice suede inserts as well in different places there. So that's going to be part of the premium package, but also it's available. We'll get to options outside of that, standalone options, but that is available as a standalone option. Something else as part of that premium package is the front and rear auxiliary lights. So I don't know if I have any image of it, but I'll try to get you an image of the front light bar that you can get on these that goes in that spot. You just unscrew those and you'll see it in there, as well as the rear bumpers with 2 rear lights back there, which is really nice when you're off-roading to be able to turn those on so people see you coming. So again, this one doesn't have that on there, but you'll have that as well. Also, you get the active performance exhaust. So it's allows you to be able to change the tone of that, quiet it down if you want to, you're in your neighborhood, that kind of thing. So it'll allow for the different volumes and sounds and tones to the exhaust using that Roush active performance exhaust. Also, you're going to get the carbon fiber interior package. Again, this one doesn't have that. Kind of show you what that looks like on some other vehicles that we have the carbon interior package. We know the the Nightmare that we covered as well a couple weeks ago. That one will have the carbon fiber trim, so I'm going to give you some images from that particular vehicle. So you'll have that on the doors, along the console, over across the screen. Also have it on the steering wheel. It won't be red like it is on the Nightmare, and you'll see it on the rear doors as well and the rear console. So that nice interior package. And then of course you get the overhead auxiliary switch panel that will be in place of the sunglass holder there. It'll go in that slot, and that's real nice. That will control your front and rear lights, controls your exhaust, and if you want to add as optional equipment the ditch lights, it would control those as well. Now, a couple standalone options you can get. A couple of them are packages. You can get as a standalone option the leather interior. So that's like we're seeing here. So what we do on a lot of ours is we order the RT6 on an XLT with the leather upgrade, and we just kind of stop there. And then we also do the bedside graphics. We've seen that on some of the others where you get the bedside graphic and then they move that USA flag to the door, and then you don't get the Roush on the door. So that's a little different. I'll show you an image of that because that one should be readily available for me to show you. And then you also do get the off-road ditch lights, what we mentioned. Those ditch lights will go up here, and then they can be controlled with that auxiliary switch. So a lot of people, what you'll see is they'll do the premium package, they'll add the ditch lights, and then so that way they have that auxiliary switch for those ditch lights. Or you can run that wire in, and they'll run it in with the switch on the console, below the steering wheel probably. And then lastly, there is a Roush Ready package. It gets you console vault, it gets you a utility kit with some different things you might need for off-roading, and also gives you a jump starter in case you're dead out on the trail. So there you go. So those are some of the different things you can get on those. Now, some of the things that we do once we get it here that I want to cover is some of these things here. Let me show you this. We typically finish it out from the factory. You'll get the tinted windows on the back, but I'll go ahead and give you a front tint as well. This should be 50 state legal shading here. It is a XPEL window tint, and we also do XPEL door guards as well. So you get that. Also, we do spray and bed liners. We always throw a spray and bed liner on these, and this is a lifetime warranty on our spray and liner. We use Vortex, local company, but nationally known, and they do a great job, and we've had 0 warranty claims since we've been working with them. So you'll have that as well. And something under the hood that we typically put on it. Being a certified Roush dealer with certified technicians, we typically will add a supercharger to all of our RT6s that are purchased for stock, this being one of those. So you'll notice that in here. So this has the black head unit right up there, but that's going to give you that 705 horsepower. What is it, 636? I'm probably saying the wrong numbers. 630 some pound-feet of torque on it as well. And we do get the cold air intake. And I do like the visible open window here, so you can see that cold air intake and that filter in there and how dirty it's getting and when you need to clean it up. So I do like that. Of course, this is covered. I believe it's a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on that as well. And it might just be a powertrain warranty, but I'll put it on the screen if it's different than that. But we always like to add those to a lot of our vehicles. And lastly, we put an appearance protection package on it too. So we want you to make sure you feel confident to protect the outside and inside of your performance vehicle. So we go ahead, of course, and do a decontamination on the outside, a nano wax sealant to really give it a nice gloss look and everything, and to protect it on the outside. So it's something you can take through the car wash if you'd like. On the inside, we do a vinyl and of course the vinyl dash leather seat conditioner on that to protect that. Carpet seal as well to protect that. And that is covered for you for a long time on that. And every 2 years, we do a complimentary recondition and reapplication if we need to of that too. So anyway, that's something we add to all of our performance vehicles as well. So that's our RT6 for 2026 model year here. Not a lot of difference and changes from 2025, but I just like to let people know that they are available again for this year, and we will be stocking these. We have currently like 6 of these in stock. Let's check these out. We got a black one over here. We got the silver one. I believe this is an antimatter blue. No, that maybe it is. No, that must be black as well because it has those covers on it. We do have a red up here with the black fender flares on it. And then we have a gray with the body colored fender flares on it. So again, we stock these readily along with other Roush vehicles as well, all up and down our rows here at our lot. So if you're looking for a Roush vehicle, we're your place. We stock these, we have them ready to go, ready to take delivery of them. Everything should be added that you might need, but if you need anything else, we can help you with that as well. So make sure you check out our website for current inventory, or just give us a call at 785-823-2237. If you'd like to order one different, you want a specific color, maybe you want a Lariat instead of an XLT, we can help you with that as well. Roush usually has these chassis units at their dealership, at their factory, ready to put these packages on them for dealers that want a custom ordered one. So we can do that as well for you. So with that said, that's all the video we have for today. Make sure you subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our other videos, as we give you these performance videos almost every Friday. We have another one to show you next week. Not a Roush, but a build that we do in-house. So check that out. Till then, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.